Today, we're diving into a number some call the divine proportion, a supposed blueprint for all beauty. Could one single number really show up in nature, art, and even our own bodies? Let's find out. They call it the golden ratio, and people claim you can find it just about everywhere you look. So, what exactly is it? Well, the golden ratio, or phi, is a special number that starts with 1.618. It's all about a unique proportion. You take the whole length of a line and divide it by the longer part. And that ratio is the exact same as the long part divided by the short part. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. It's directly linked to the famous Fibonacci sequence.
You probably remember this one. You just add the last two numbers together to get the next one.
Now watch what happens when you divide a Fibonacci number by the one right before it. If we go a little further in the sequence, the ratio starts getting closer and closer to a specific number. And there it is, the ratio zeroes in on 1.618, our golden ratio, phi. It's wild.
And this isn't just some neat math trick. Nature actually seems to use this for maximum efficiency.
In sunflowers, for instance, the number of spirals are almost always two consecutive Fibonacci numbers. This perfect arrangement is all thanks to something called the golden angle, which is about 137.5 degrees. And why that angle? It's nature's perfect solution for packing seeds as tightly as possible. So we see it in plants, but is the golden ratio really hiding in all the other places people claim? Well, that famous nautilus shell, turns out that's mostly a myth. It's a similar spiral, but not golden. And you know what? A lot of other claims about famous arts and our bodies don't really hold up either.
But the DNA claim is pretty fascinating. One full cycle of the double helix does have Fibonacci dimensions.
So if some of these are myths, why do we want to believe in this secret code so badly? Well, the answer might just be in our own psychology. We seem to have a deep need to connect beauty with truth. Psychologists call it processing fluency. Our brains just love simple, elegant patterns that are easy to grasp. So maybe we're seeing this beautiful pattern in places simply because we really want it to be there. And that leaves us with a final thought. What other beautiful ideas might we accept as truth without ever questioning them?